Press on and off button once for starting. Press again for closing. Now let's turn it on. The LCD display lights up. If without operation for 30 seconds, the lights will be off. If you want to lock the controller, beyond children or somebody else to adjust the setting value, you can press on and off button for around 6 seconds to lock, and press another 6 seconds to unlock. Now let's see the mode button. Press it to choose the fan speed for RA, OA. FR means EA, and SA. Temperature setting, CO2 setting, humidity setting, timing, on and off setting, and sleep mode, which will be switched in cycle. The CO2 symbol appears on the panel if your ERV is connected to a CO2 sensor. The ERV runs at high speed when CO2 concentration is higher than the setting value for more than 5 seconds. The humidity symbol appears when the temperature and humidity sensor is connected to your ERV, and your ERV will run at high speed automatically when humidity is higher than the setting value for more than 5 seconds. When you are setting the humidity, you can adjust the ready humidity by pressing up and down button. The setting range is from 50% to 100%. The default value is 70%. If you want to select the fan speed manually, just press the mode to choose SA or FR, and press up and down button to choose the speed you like. There are 10 speeds for selection. The fan speed can also be controlled automatically. There are 4 periods for setting per day. Under each period, you can select a fan speed, so when the ERV enters into this period, the fan speed will be changed into the one you set. Here I would like to point out that the filter alarm signal, if you set filters, can be used for 60 days. So when the ERV runs over 60 days, the filter alarm here will flash to remind you it's the time to clean or change the filter. After replacement or cleanness, you can remove the signal by following our user manual instructions, which we'll show you later. Now let's move to the parameter setting. We'll have a chart for you. Which number stands for which function are indicated specifically there. Long press the mode button for more than 6 seconds to enter into the parameter setting. Press the Set button shortly to select the corresponding parameters. Adjusting the parameter value by pressing up and down button, but remember to press the Set button, saving the record, and switch to the next parameter setting. Now let's show you how to set a value one by one. Here is a chart for your reference. Parameter 1 refers to power to auto restart. 0 is invalid. 1 is valid. The default value is 1. Parameter 2 refers to the bypass function. 0 means manual operation. 1 means automatic operation. Parameter 3 refers to the bypass opening temperature. The temperature range can be selected from 5 to 30 degrees. The bypass will be switched on automatically when the outdoor temperature is equal or higher than the setting temperature. Let's keep it at 19 degrees. Parameter 4 refers to the bypass opening temperature range. The temperature range is from 2 to 15 degrees. You can fix it at 3 degrees. So when the temperature is over 19 degrees but within 22 degrees, the bypass function will be running. Parameter 5 refers to the supply air electrical heater is available or not. Value 0 is unavailable. 1 means available. After your ERV is connected to the electrical heater, you can choose value 1 to activate this function. Parameter 6 refers to the conventional defrosting. Parameter 7 refers to the defrosting interval, which means the defrosting function will start running again after resting for 30 minutes and start over again. Parameter 8 refers to the defrost entering temperature. Once the temperature drops to -1 degree and lasting over 1 minute, the defrosting function will start operating automatically. Parameter 9 refers to the defrosting duration time, that is, the running time of the defrosting. Parameter 10 refers to the CO2 display function is valid or not. Value 0 means invalid, and value 1 means valid. Parameter 11 refers to the CO2 concentration setting. If CO2 sensor detects that the CO2 concentration is higher than the setting value for more than 5 seconds, the ventilator will start up automatically and run at high speed. Only when the CO2 concentration is lower than the setting value for more than 5 seconds, ventilator will return to previous condition. Parameter 12 refers to humidity sensor is valid or not. 0 is for invalid. 1 is for valid. Parameter 13 refers to the humidity setting. It is suggested to set the humidity between 60% to 70% when the ventilator is in standby condition or any speeds that are not the highest speed. If humidity sensor detects that the humidity concentration is higher than the setting value for more than 5 seconds, the ventilator will start up automatically and run at high speed. Only when the humidity concentration is lower than the setting value for more than 5 seconds, ventilator will return to previous condition. Parameter 14 refers to the IP address, which to identify your ERV. Parameter 15 and 16 are already fixed, unavailable for selection. Parameter 17 refers to the filter alarm. 0 means unavailable, and 1 is to clear the filter alarm and recount the time. Parameter 18 refers to the filter alarm setting. You can choose it from 45 days, 60 days, 90 days, and 180 days. Parameter 19 refers to the differential pressure switch function. 0 stands for invalid, 1 stands for valid. The default value is 0. Finally, if you want to restore to factory setting, just press the up and down button simultaneously for more than 5 seconds. The parameters will be back to original. One last thing is the error code checking. There might be some error signal appears during the ERV's running. So you can identify what's the problem by checking the code number under the main interface. Press the set button for short and you will find the error code on it.